we are just already we launched that for 7 dessert. It's a special dessert in California, Pizza Kitchen all over India, and we are in Bangalore here Whitefield and CPK Whitefield, CPK Koramangala and CPK Indiranagar, the 3 outlets over here. And one of that the famous Baked Alaska dessert we are going to launch from today only. And I hope so you will enjoying this dessert festival, and please come and CPK and let's see that how I get back. That's my dessert. Today I am going to make strawberry phyllo cups. First I have to make the phyllo pastry cup, and let's start the first one. And I put the spring pastry inside, just like press by the finger, and need to be the whipped creams. Strawberry.